What to pack for a 7-day trip, carry-on only. Planning a 7-day trip and want to pack smart with just a carry-on? You're in the right place. Here's exactly what you need to pack for a week-long getaway. No checked bags, no stress. The golden rule? Stick to the 5-4-3-2-1 packing method. 5 tops. Bring a mix of shirts. Think 2 casual tees, 1 dressier blouse or button-down, and 2 breathable tops you can layer. 4 bottoms pack, 2 pairs of pants or jeans, 1 pair of shorts or a skirt, depending on the climate, and 1 comfy bottom like leggings for travel or downtime. 3 pairs of shoes. Wear your bulkiest pair, like sneakers. Pack a pair of flats or sandals and 1 versatile dress shoe if needed. 2 jackets or sweaters, a light cardigan or hoodie, and a weather-appropriate jacket, like a denim jacket or lightweight raincoat. 1 dress or special outfit, perfect for dinners, events, or just feeling great one evening. Essentials extras. Undergarments, 7 pairs of underwear, 2 to 3 bras, and a few pairs of socks. Sleepwear, 1 comfy set of PJs. Swimwear, at least 1 swimsuit if your trip includes water activities. Accessories, a scarf, sunglasses, and a compact tote bag for day trips. Toiletries, TSA-approved sizes. Toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, face wash, moisturizer, sunscreen, and minimal makeup. Use solid alternatives where possible, like shampoo bars, to save space. Tech travel documents, phone, charger, headphones, and travel adapter. Passport or ID, printed confirmations, and a small wallet or document holder. Pro tips for packing light. 1. Roll your clothes to save space and avoid wrinkles. 2. Use packing cubes for better organization. 3. Wear bulky items like your jacket and sneakers on the plane. 4. Choose neutral colors so everything matches. 5. Check the weather ahead of time to avoid packing things you won't use. Ready to master the art of minimalist travel? Start packing smarter, not heavier. Like this video, subscribe for more travel tips, and tell us in the comments. What's your #1 travel must-have?